everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anditola, or you can call me Angela. Anyone is fine. And I run the Food Feast business. So I cook for people, I do products, and I'm into content creation. Today I'm going to show you how I peel my beans, because obviously I know a lot of people, whenever they want to make like moin or akara, they feel like they have to plan ages in advance. And I don't know, I think some days you should be able to wake up and be like, oh, today I feel like making moin, and you don't have to think, but I didn't soak my beans last night. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of how I peel my beans in like a few minutes, and it's ready to use for my moin or akara. So yeah, just go with me. So right, my peeling beans process literally it just has to do with the sink and my beans. And in my bowl here I've got like my beans. I'm using quite a bit of beans, and what I usually do is I run the tap on the hot side till the hot water comes out, and I just pour a lot of hot water on that, and I leave it to sit. Let that run. So I'm going to leave this to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes just so that it gets a bit soft. Then I'm going to peel it, and you'll be surprised at how quickly the skin falls off the beans. So literally you don't have to soak your beans for ages. You can just follow this simple method. So I'm going to leave this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be back to show you how easily it actually does fall off. Yeah, let's even try it now and see. Can you see? Literally it comes off so quick. So you can imagine in a few minutes how quick it will be coming off. Basically that's it. That's basically it. Yep, I'll be back in a few minutes. Now I'm back, and it's been sitting for a few minutes, and I'm just gonna get down peeling. So just rub your hands together. You can see how easily that is coming off, and you just keep doing this till you finish peeling all the beans. And normally I'll use a sieve. So I like to add a lot of water because the peel floats, and you can just use the sieve to get rid of the bits. So when you've peeled the beans, you just have to keep running the water. The water helps the peels float, and you can just run that in the sieve, and you can keep doing that till you obviously get rid of all the peels. Yeah, you have to do this a couple of times for it to fully get rid of all of them. And another thing I was going to add is that for my fellow abroadians, you will know that your beans is a very mighty blender peeler. So one thing I can say is maybe soak in hot water for a few minutes before you finally use it for your moin and akara, because research has shown, and please don't ask me for reference. My reference is all the people that I've spoken to. Research has shown that beans is a blender breaker. So yeah, just soak that for a few minutes. When you finish sieving it and achieving like everything right, you can see that obviously in a few minutes I would have gotten rid of all the bits, and I will have my blended beans. When you get that, make sure you just soak it in hot water for a few minutes, just so that the bean softens a bit before you put it in the blender, depending on the kind of blender you have. Alright guys, and that's how I do my beans. So I just peel it on the morning or whenever. I don't have to overthink in advance. And like I said, just try and soak it for a few minutes before you finally blend, because trust me, beans is a massive blender spoiler. I'm sure a lot of you have stories. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with other people that would like to know how to make the moin akara, or whatever they need peeled beans for, with ease without overly thinking about it. Thank you. Bye.